The most important thing in my life now is to think about the balance between my private life and my work. Of course, my work is very important, but at the same time, the health is the best. My name is Akiko. I'm from Japan. I live in Paris for the moment. So I started my career as a visual merchandiser. It was more than 10 years ago when I was living in Milan. After I was promoted as a senior visual merchandiser in Japan. So for me, I had a lot of desire, a lot of expectations, a lot of ambition in my career. I had such a lot of important responsibilities and at the same time a lot of workloads. Sometimes there was a moment I had to take 5 flights per week, and it was sometimes so hard to manage myself. So I wasn't living my life. Sometimes I remember that in the office I exploded to cry, or because of the anger I started to argue with somebody. So I started to ask myself, so what could help me to get out of this stress? Then I figured out there were 2 big passions in my life, which is painting and cooking. Initially, I really wanted to become a painter when I was younger. I can really devote myself into art, into painting, and I can totally forget about what is happening in real life. The painting and cooking, they have something in common. For me, it was quite similar in terms of the feeling that I had. When I cook, I can forget anything I can forget what is happening outside because I'm really concentrated on what I'm doing now with my hands. And to get to the destination, to create a plate, that is a beautiful moment. And when I get to that point, and people would be so full of a smile. They say, oh my God, this is so yummy. Thank you so much, Akiko. Inside of me, when I hear that, I feel that stress fades out. Thanks to my passion for food, I encountered with Danny, my husband, at my friend's dinner party. He's the man in my life with whom I would like to create my family. And now I'm having a baby in my belly. I'm still painting and cooking because finding time for me and my well-being is more important than ever now.